Well, yesterday I got to do my walking up at Geneva on the lake, Lake Erie. I figured today I'd go for a bike ride. We're 100 miles south of Lake Erie, and I think it's colder here than it was up there. The temperature's about the same, but with the wind chill, that's like 38 degrees, and the wind chill makes it about 32. So I just thought I'd take another walk and enjoy the clear sky. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's really kind of pretty out. Yeah. Just get another walk in. Okay, while walking along, I glanced over and I saw a painted rock from Northeast Ohio Rocks. And we'll post this that we found it, and we will rehide it.